Hi my peeps, what's up? What go on? Guys, a long time I don't see me face. Yeah, me there country guys. Look there. Me under banana tree, look there. Some good fresh breeze a blow up on me, although me still a sweat. So guys, I'm at my brother's. Look where I do. Yeah, look yourself, come on. Chop chop. I'm gonna hide the face, guys. You know why in that video. Alright, me now put him in there. So alright guys. In Jamaica now, just breezing out for a little bit. And today I think I'm gonna make some soup and I'm gonna blend some juice. So when I'm gonna do that video, I'll just insert it in. And now watch me hairstyle, guys. If I'm going somewhere, you know, this hairstyle change up everything. All right guys, so hi there. So this is me. This is just a chillax. And if I'm gonna do something or go someplace, I'll just vlog a little bit. So peace. I'll see you later, guys. I should have show you what we have for breakfast. Mario, come pass a plate there. Let me show them when we eat for breakfast. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I had for breakfast. I eat already, but I'm gonna show you what I made. Just bread and eggs and plantains. Right, so basically it's just some Flagstaff bread, plantains and egg. All right, so that's what I had for breakfast. And some fever grass tea. Hi my peeps, what's up? Well, go on guys, now watch the hairstyle. You see me I sweat me their country, all right? And I'm gonna do a quick little video. We're gonna do some roast breadfruit, all right? So my brother out here, so we are roast breadfruit, guys, all right? What a fire, Omar. Now they're gone for YouTube. Now they're gone. Omar, why you have to make your fire so big? Oh, so I big one them, that's all size you can get. So guys, we're making the fire. We are roast breadfruit to go foreign. Wow. Bees, what about that one on the back side there, man? Yeah. You can cut out, not true? I want coconut. You can blend the coconut.
You want one more coconut?
I say, one we do. One we do. One we do.
Ginger.
Piece of ginger, guys. So, ma, you should make it stay a little bit. No time to make it stay.
Tomorrow.
They don't see them go haul about, man. Lord, they're not tired, man. Tomorrow, do one more breadfruit, man. So, you have to go look for me then. Eh? So tomorrow only 2 more days me having.
2 more days me line up.
Tomorrow and Sunday, that's it.
Me look it tomorrow.
But me like when it's stale, man.
Oh. Me get breadfruit man.
But then go stale.
You have to beat them tomorrow.
Yeah, me like when they roast them Sunday. How much that? How do you see? You don't cut them back in?
No, cut them. Oh. I peel them out and put them back and buy back.
The one the big and juicy. You see two nice ones. All I look one they are roast too.
Maybe. I say I peel and cut up.
You light it fire now?
Light it. Give me lighter. I'm trying to hurry up roast.
And the coconut, I just have to bust and blend. Me have piece of yam.
Oh, you have everything.
Me have everything. Me buy a piece of half of yam.
Oh,
and that's good for buying it together. And me go put little flour and little corn.
Yeah, man, all of them.
Everything. Mix up.
One little rum.
Me don't have no rum. Actually, one
rum put in and make it spice.
One little cock, one two cock. Or where you get rum? One drink. Not true. How much you drink a rum? 60.
How much you want? Drink. No, but one rum, second part.
One flask.
Which flask? One drink.
One 2 tablespoon. Oh, what
one drink. $100.
Yeah, one drink. A rum, you know. Me have one bottle of wine already, so we can do it.
You want wine,
eh?
You want them to come?
That's good enough.
Oh.
One of that, we have to use all like. So we need one little drink of rum.
And also one rum to spicy. Keep the flavor.
And that's it. And me have one bread pan. Me go put it with some water in the oven bottom. So you know burn up it. You burn up the bottom, you know that damn. Because this is electric. Gas, remember fire come out from the bottom. When you put it sitting with the water and it take time baking.
Or cool.
And then some of this here with the sugar, me go mix up and chop on top when
you know if you wet up. You know if you
I just sugar. Look now. This here. Mix some of my coconut milk and with sugar.
Call Mary to make the coconut.
Oh, and then
I go do this, I go and do that in the time. I go later. We try to do
Then no, we have to go do it. I go peel it, you go peel the potato then.
Peeling. I have great type, peel and great.
Give me lighter the boy, now make it burn up.
Go and great type potato on it. I come blend the coconut and then see. Go and look about that coconut and put on the signal you make it one boy. Put on the whole light in one pot.
Whole of
Whole of this.
you friggin' idiot. How you make with that?
You want to boil it for the black, you know?
So where you do it so far?
When boil it, man.
Only if you want this too strong.
You know, try one tea in here, and you smell it out, I smell it and leave a blow.
You can't put so much in and leave. Some can go off for it. You can't dry.
You can't get me a leaf, man. Hold it.
All of this you put in a baking. Yeah, man, somebody. You can like your damn idiot. You don't leave 1, 4, 5 leaves. Move there.
Tea in it. I don't have to go so good. You go and sit there to you,
what?
Busy, bitter sitting.
Onion bitter.
Seriously.
You can't get some, you sound so busy. You know how busy you man.
No, I can't tell me. Give me the phone. Let me come and get some busy for you.
Busy tea nice, you know.
Who am I?
Without put some milk in there. You don't have no sour sap.
No matter what.
That's what I mean.
You don't have no sour sap.
I'm going to get some tea.
How about you can't get me one sour sap?
You mean sour sap for drink?
No sour sap no there. Cause they have sour sap out there.
No, my man out of the cover, they give me sour sap.
Hmm?
You can't carry leaf.
Sour sap, me want to drink. You tell me about damn sour sap leaf.
Everything in high leaf. There's a leaf trunk.
How my breadfruit and can go on now? I know they should have picked for drain there.
I'm all right, man.
That's how me like them.
When they're ripe,
When they turn.
That's them nice when you hold it.
they're all right.
Whole day tomorrow, you have to pick them earlier morning. But they're not ripe. Who ripe what?
You see them ripe right now.
Alright guys, so breadfruit in a fire. You put them in guys and no call me. I go tell me come catch it yourself. And you all turn them one time already. How much in the 6? So we are roast 6 guys. Alright. When they done roast, I'll come back. It's a real country style. Me always do one video with breadfruit and roast. Ooh, smoke. Right eye sun heap guys. So it thinks it. You will do it? Look one when me have it. In just turn them. Put one more breadfruit there, some man. One look one. Put one there, see if I blaze it. Yeah man, that's right. Here you go. Then no bun yet. No about low more. You turn the one they want to turn. How you gonna use your hand turn it? Use Omar, give him something to turn them now. You know what? Up, you know what I draw there? Or up on top. Omar, wash this in the man, put in our water there. Where lighter? Use piece of that thick then away bend down there, so. Piece side there. Pop off it. Pop off it, yeah. Yeah. Oh yes, it's a bun for you.
Busy.
Turn it back. You.
Look pretty good one, look pretty all dusty one, look pretty one and clean. Yeah.
Make that stand this. You can't stay this.
Oh, look man,
That no roast.
There's no longer shit man, he kill you know.
You know, Papa have to take this. See one piece of this.
Still go crap.
Can't turn here. After that side the roast. Take out the one fan down in there, so put that top and put one next one there. See one down in there? Yeah, the one down in the bottom there. Take out that. Put up a top more. Put here one can and take one big one, put down there. Yeah, put that a can and make it go and steam. Throw one big breadfruit down in there now, man. Take out them one there, man. Take out that. Throw that down in there. You have to do fast on that, man. Feed it.
You know where he
Take out that one there, my fan, don't go burn up down there.
I need some agave.
Take it, put that one corner. Yeah, right. Take out that one, that one, throw one next one down in there. But the battery low to rotty. My battery low. Throw 2 more breadfruit pan top, not the breadfruit yet. See fire there, man. Now we fire. Put one over there, so. Yeah. Water heat.
Nada, move over heat. You get cold. Turn up right there.
No, eat.
Yeah. Bowl of head over heat, man, turn sideways.
You get to see one longer piece of stick, them and you take a little short piece.
Turn sideways, you know, I get heat and cold, you know. That time hot.
No, put it back on that side, your man. Yeah, that side you want to burn.
You know, if you burn it, I just
turn that one, your man. That one you look like you want
this
to.
one?
Yeah, can not put it on that side.
you don't go on steam.
Yeah, yeah.
That one, you know, if you are heat, roast breadfruit, you think a heat.
Oh, my, that one let don't roast.
You know, roast, man, make it on the heat, it on the roast.
You eat on the roast?
A cold roast breadfruit, you think a blazing fire. Heat. Yeah, man. I feel on the light. It's already. And light, and you feel in light.
This is where we at with the roast breadfruit. Why it's on fire? And no mosquito in the house again, you know? Mosquito gone. Oh my, you see me tell you say you have to use all that wood. Oh, you go get them out. All the big piece here, you have to bother make it burn.
Which one?
This big piece here.
This one?
Where over here, so?
Oh, I go get fire roast. I go wood out to that. How you say I was your Sunday night?
Early Sunday morning. Because you know, when we roast them, we don't want to freeze them.
Oh.
You see me how you roast them, then you go in a freezer. Oh my, that roast.
You roast, man. You like
roll this one over, make it get burned this one. Yeah. No, you know, yeah. You want to roast one more. Just turn it on this side here, so man.
This one. You know, I think burn up in the man. When you bake breadfruit in a oven, in a oven.
Take out that one, yeah. Which one this? Oh, you did. So one down in the middle, you want to turn, you know. It's a burn up down there, man.
Which one, that one?
Yes, you want to turn. Turn it over. Come on, heat down there. Flip it up. Flip up your body. Your body, burn up. You see, you're that good. Make that tandy. Make that serious.
You think good on them burn up.
Make it serious, man. You know what I'm
You think good on another come back out to them body.
Who oven down there? Oh my, you know, see all your stuff be a kick. You burn up it. Now I have to draw out fire. Put some on top. Country. I look at the pear tree, my pear tree. Yeah. Oh my God, Camilo. Look on the big one them. Huh? Water? Water for what? Oh, the river water? What, you want one bottle of water? Look in my fridge now. I see Shankai have some water. Take one. Take one. Let me see Shankai have some in my fridge door there. No, we don't have, we run out. Guys, I'm going to try to pick a big one. Yeah. I'll pick this one. I'm going to put it up to ripe, guys. There's another big one there. The big one, them up in the top, Camille. So I pick them and they're ripe. What me I gonna do? Me can't reach the big one them. Alright guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast. Last tomato cook up. Turn off the stove. And some fried breadfruit. You ready?